Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna and pranams your devotees. So welcome to our Sunday evening Bhakti Riksha sessions. So कैसे हैं आप सब लोग?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Oh, Hare Krishna Kanchan Mataji.
How are you?
Good to see you back.
I was eagerly waiting for the sessions actually. Actually,
Oh.
पहले मेरा ना clash हो जाएगा था, तो that was the reason I couldn't
हाँ
attend.
हाँ
But
yes
now the
Mataji.
time is fine, yeah.
How's everyone at home, Mataji?
All well, Mataji.
Okay.
All recovered also.
Oh, so we have new member as well. Sagar Prabhu, is that you? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna when Prabhuji joined with E0CBB.
Yes, I
Hare
think it is
Krishna,
Sagar
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Prabhu, can you unmute yourself? हरे कृष्णा सागर जी, आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है?
Hare Krishna Rajdev Prabhu. Hare Krishna
Okay.
Manisha Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा. राजदीप प्रभु, रिश्ता माता जी, मनीषा माता जी. How are you all?
Yeah, fine, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी. Thank you so much for joining. So let's begin with our session for today. तो जो हमने last session में हमने जो किया था, that was on for last 2 sessions we have been doing on prasadam. हमने prasadam के बारे में एक मिनट. So लास्ट 2 सेशंस में हमने प्रसादम के बारे में सुना कि हमने उसके बारे में जाना कि why प्रसादम is very important for us for our spiritual growth and what is the जो प्रसादम की जो महत्वता है वो क्या है. और जो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है डार्विन्स थ्योरी, लाइक डार्विनिज्म. तो हम ये पढ़ते भी हैं हमारे we also read this we understand this theory in our schools and in our colleges about Darwin theory, that how Darwin explained about theory of evolution. But जो शास्त्र है, शास्त्र says something else, and so आज हम उसी के बारे में जानेंगे that what is शास्त्र saying about that. and उससे पहले हम जो हरि नाम की महिमा के बारे में थोड़ा सा पढ़ेंगे. और आज थोड़ा सा चेंज ला रहे हैं हम कि आज हम एक्चुअल जो बुक है भक्ति रिक्शा की, हम उसी से पढ़ेंगे. आज हम पीपीटी से नहीं पढ़ेंगे, प्रेजेंटेशन से नहीं पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि आज का जो टॉपिक है वो एक बुक से लिया गया है जिसका नाम है लाइफ कम्स फ्रॉम लाइफ. वो प्रभुपाद, श्रील प्रभुपाद जी के और उनके अनुयायियों के बीच में कुछ संवाद हैं, वाद संवाद हैं जिनके ऊपर ये बुक है. तो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ कन्वर्सेशंस. तो आज हम उसी के बारे में उसी को पढ़ेंगे. तो दैट इज व्हाई वी थॉट कि इट वुड बी बेटर दैट वी रीड द कन्वर्सेशंस डायरेक्टली. तो आज हम उसी बुक से डायरेक्टली पढ़ेंगे जिस बुक से हम ये कंटेंट लेते हैं, जो हमने आपके साथ स्टार्टिंग में कोर्स शुरू होने से पहले हमने शेयर भी करी है ग्रुप पे. तो लेट्स बिगिन. आई विल शेयर माय स्क्रीन. तो मंगलाचरण से स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं. वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान् सह गण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश च। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। हरे कृष्ण। सो लेट्स बिगिन। आज का जो टॉपिक है उसे हम शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम नेक्टर ऑफ होली नेम से थोड़ा सा पढ़ेंगे एंड देन वी विल चैंट वन राउंड ऑफ हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र। एंड वी हैव आई थिंक न्यू मेंबर सागर प्रभु जी, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? ओके, आई थिंक ओके, कोई बात नहीं। आपने जैसे कि आज आपकी आज पहली क्लास है तो आपको मैं थोड़ा सा बता देता हूँ कि हम क्या करते हैं। तो जो हमारा जो फॉर्मेट रहता है क्लास का वो ये है कि सबसे पहले हम थोड़े नेक्टर ऑफ होली नेम के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, उसके बाद हम एक माला का जप करते हैं हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र का, और उसके बाद हम अपना टॉपिक शुरू करेंगे। तो लेट्स बिगिन अवर टुडेज टॉपिक। आपको स्क्रीन आ रही है मेरी कंचन माता जी? ओके, ठीक है। कोई पढ़ना चाहेगा? अगर if anybody wants to read, they can raise their hand. Yes, Rajdeep Prabhu.
The nectar of holy name. Lord Chaitanya introduced the Mahamantra to counteract the philosophy of impersonalism. Lord Chaitanya to Prakshananda Saraswati.
Prakashananda Saraswati.
The Mayavad philosophy is so degraded that it has taken the insignificant living entities to be the Lord, the supreme truth, thus covering the glory and supremacy of the absolute truth with monism. Sripada Sankaracharya purposely claimed the Jiva Tattva or living entities to be equal to the Supreme Lord. Therefore, his entire philosophy is based on a misunderstanding and it misguides people to become atheists whose mission in life is unfulfilled. The mission of human life, as described in Bhagavad Gita, is to surrender unto the Supreme Lord and become his devotee. But the Mayavad philosophy misleads one to defy the existence of Supreme Personality of Godhead and pose oneself as the Supreme Lord. Thus, it has misguided hundreds and thousands of innocent men. The Mayavad philosophy, misguiding people by claiming the living entity to be the Lord, has created havoc throughout the entire world and led almost everyone to godlessness. By thus covering the glories of the Supreme Lord, the Mayavadi philosophers have done the greatest this service to the human society. It is to counteract these most abominable activities of the Mayavadi philosophers that Lord Chaitanya has introduced the Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Yes. तो ये चैतन्य चरितामृत आदि लीला में आता है, हरेर नाम हरेर नाम एव केवलम कलो नास्तेव 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 गतिरन्यथा. In this age of quarrel and hypocrisy, the only means of deliverance is chanting the holy name of the Lord. There is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. तो इसमें जो सबसे पहले बताया गया है मायावाद फिलॉसफी के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताया गया है कि किस प्रकार से जो मायावादीज हैं, दे थिंक दैट दे कैन बिकम गॉड। उनकी जो सोच है वो ये बताती है कि हम भी भगवान हैं और बाकी सभी भगवान हैं, बस ये शरीर जब जैसे ही खत्म हो जाएगा, देन आई विल मर्ज इनटू गॉड, एंड गॉड इज लाइक ब्रह्म ज्योति और द लाइट, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक दैट। और जैसे ही ये शरीर खत्म होगा, इट इज जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ दैट टाइम, उसके बाद आई विल मर्ज इनटू द इम्पर्सनल ब्राह्मण एंड आई विल बिकम गॉड। तो इसका खंडन किया जाता है, और एक्चुअली देयर आर मेनी रीजंस कि वो फिलॉसफी क्यों पॉपुलर होती है, और वो आजकल अब हम देखते हैं कि ये काफियों की ये मान्यता भी बन चुकी है। और उसी का खंडन करने के लिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु आते हैं, और उनके जो भक्त हैं शिला प्रभुपाद, और वो भी उनका भी जो मिशन है, जो पर्पस है, वो यही है कि जो मायावादीज हैं उनको डिफीट करना। इसीलिए हम देखते हैं कि जो प्रभुपाद का प्रणाम मंत्र है वो भी यही है, नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने, नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे, निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। जो क्या है, नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे, वो श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर जी के शिष्य हैं, और गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे जो चैतन्य महाप्रभु की जो वाणी है उनका प्रचार कर रहे हैं, और निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे, एंड टू डिफीट the theory of voidism and the theory of मायावादीज, और जो वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में जो ये थ्योरी है उसका प्रचार, उसको डिफीट करने के लिए, और हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र का जो है उसका प्रचार करने के लिए इन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज he has come. So that is also we can see in Srila Prabhupada Pranam Mantra. And and Prabhupada also writes very strongly about this Mayavad philosophy, and that why, because that philosophy is wrong. हम उसमें ज़्यादा deep में नहीं जाएंगे, अगर किसी कुछ प्रश्न है तो that we can take, but we will not go deep into that philosophy because वो topic नहीं है वैसे हमारा आज का. So I'm just giving an overview of that. And so to defeat that philosophy, or to defeat that that manyata, और इसीलिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु has come and he has given us this way of chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. आगे पढ़ते हैं. People should simply engage in chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, for thus they will gradually come to understand that they are not the Supreme Personality of Godhead, as they have been taught by the Mayavadi philosophers, but are eternal servants of the Lord. As soon as one engages himself in the transcendental service of the Lord, he becomes free. Mam chayo vyabhicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samatite tan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. ये बहुत ही फेमस वर्स है भगवद गीता से 14.26. तो इसकी ट्रांसलेशन क्या है देखिए, one who engages in full devotional service, who does not fall in any circumstances, at once transcends the modes of material nature and thus comes to the level of Brahman. Therefore, the Hare Krishna movement or Krishna consciousness movement is the only light for the foolish living entities who think either that there is no God, or that if God exists, he is formless and they themselves are also God. तो ये कुछ बिलीव्स होते हैं कि पहला बिलीफ तो है कि आई एम एन एथीस्ट, मुझे तो विश्वास ही नहीं कुछ भगवान है। कुछ मानते हैं जो एग्नोस्टिक होते हैं, उनको लगता है कि भगवान एग्जिस्ट करते हैं बट उनकी कोई फॉर्म नहीं है,
लगता है कि भगवान एक एनर्जी की तरह एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, एंड जब हम भी एक एनर्जी हैं, एंड जब हमारी मृत्यु हो जाती है, हम ये शरीर त्याग देते हैं, तो हम भगवान के साथ लीन हो जाते हैं।
तो ये जो मिसकंसेप्शंस हैं ये बहुत ही डेंजरस हैं. So these misconceptions are very dangerous, and the only way to counteract them is to spread the Hare Krishna movement.
Yes. So शिला प्रभुपाद एक बड़े ही सिंपल एग्जाम्पल से ये समझाते हैं कि व्हाई दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल। जैसे कि एक बच्चा होता है, वो अपनी मदर की बॉडी से ही निकलता है, उसकी बॉडी अपनी मदर की बॉडी से ही निकलती है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि बच्चा वापस में मदर की बॉडी में लीन हो जाएगा। सो कभी भी ऐसा नहीं पॉसिबल होता कि बेबी कैन गो बैक टू द बॉडी ऑफ अ मदर। सो सिमिलरली yes, we are part and parcel of Bhagwan Krishna, and we are part and parcel of the Supreme Lord, but it is not possible to merge into the Supreme Lord.
इसके बहुत 2-3 एग्जांपल और हैं जो बहुत सरल हैं, जिससे हम इसे समझ सकते हैं। एक एग्जांपल तोते का भी आता है, पैरट का। लाइक जैसे कि अगर हम किसी पैरट को देखते हैं, सो पैरट इज ग्रीन कलर, राइट? एंड अगर वो किसी हरे पेड़ पर बैठा है, अगर हम उसे दूर से देख रहे हैं, सो पैरट seems to be merged with the tree, but parrot is different and tree is different, right? दोनों की identity, parrot की identity अलग है और tree भी अलग रहता है। they don't merge, but if we see them they don't seem to be different, क्योंकि but जब हम पास जाते हैं तब हमको पता लगता है yes there is parrot and then there is tree। इसका एक और एग्जांपल में से समझ सकते हैं कि मान लीजिए हम गुड़गांव में हैं, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम इन गुड़गांव एंड आई हैव कम फ्रॉम लेट्स से पंजाब, ओके? तो एक एग्जांपल ये है कि अगर मैं गुड़गांव में आ गया हूं, सो हैव आई बिकम गुड़गांव? एक तरफ से यस, बिकॉज नाउ आई एम पार्ट ऑफ गुड़गांव, बट am I Gurgaon? No, I don't merge into Gurgaon, but I'm because I'm living in Gurgaon, so I become a part of Gurgaon, but doesn't mean that Gurgaon is me only, and I don't become the city, but I'm a part of the city. So this is few examples which Prabhupada gives in his books, and तो जैसे हमने देखा that to counteract this is to spread the Hare Krishna movement, and the best way to do that is the Sankirtan of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare। So तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो ये नेक्टर ऑफ होली नेम का जो सेक्शन है ये खत्म होता है। तो अब हम एक माला का जप करेंगे।
अगर किसी का कोई प्रश्न है तो या फिर कुछ डाउट है तो हम
ले सकते हैं, नहीं तो हम लास्ट में भी we can take questions. So now what we'll do is we'll chant the Hare Krishna महामंत्र, और आप सबके पास ऑलरेडी माला है। अगर किसी के पास नहीं है तो आप वो हाथ पे भी जप कर सकते हैं। 108 बार हमको हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र का जप करना है। So let's begin. सागर प्रभु, अगर आपके कुछ प्रश्न है तो then you can ask me by calling me personally. Okay? ठीक। So let us chant. नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भीतरे श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे विशेषण्यवाहि पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम अगर आप अपनी वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं तो वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए। हरे कृष्ण
हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे हरे Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
हरे
Hare Hare,
कृष्ण
Hare
हरे
Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, 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 Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Hare हरे कृष्णा। अगर आपका जब जब हो जाए तब आप हैंड रेज कर सकते हैं या फिर आप कमेंट पे लिख सकते हैं, तब तक वी विल वेट फॉर ऑल द मेंबर्स टू कंप्लीट देयर जपा। So Rajdeep Prabhu says done. Rishta Mataji done. I think Manisha Mataji kabhi already. She's also done. Kanchan Mataji is also done. Very nice. Sagar Prabhuji, can we start?
Yes,
Okay.
okay.
Arpita Mataji is also and Sati Mataji also. Oh, very nice. So I will share my screen. तो आज का एक्चुअली जो हम पढ़ेंगे, so this is a conversation, ये एक संवाद है. It is a very interesting और आप सब इसमें participate कीजिए. So I will not read. So I will request everybody to raise their hands. हम एक एक बार करके we will read few chunks of the section. So let me share my screen. आप सबको स्क्रीन दिख रही है? हरे कृष्णा. नो स्क्रीन?
दिख रही है?
ओके, दिख रही है.
दिख रही है।
दिख रही है. ठीक है. तो यस, तो जो आज का डिस्कशन है वो ये है, डार्विनिज्म एक्सटिंक्ट. कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन Srila Prabhupada is accompanied by Dr. Singh, Karandhar Das Adhikari, Brahmananda Swami, and other students. Recorded on April 19, 1973 in Cheviot Hills Park, Los Angeles. तो जो Srila Prabhupada हैं, and he used to have lots of conversations with his students and his followers. And those जितने भी conversations हैं वो सब recorded हैं, and वो conversations are also like lectures of Srila Prabhupada. और उसमें इतने gems छुपे हुए हैं. उसमें से एक gem जो है वो ये है, और ये
For everything we get scientific reasons from the conversation. Srila Prabhupada बड़े ही simple way में he gave scientific reasons for anything.
और ये जो ये conversations हैं ये एक बुक से ली गई हैं. बुक का नाम है Life Comes From Life. तो ये बुक का टॉपिक है, ये बुक का टाइटल था Life Comes From Life. And so now we will I will request you to please raise your hands and फिर हम स्टार्ट करना पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं. Okay, Manisha Mataji, you can start.
Okay, passage for discussion. Srila Prabhupada. This material world is composition of three qualities, sattva, rajas and tamaja, goodness, passion and ignorance, which are working everywhere. These three qualities are present in various proportions in all species of life. For example, some trees produce nice fruits, while others are simply meant for fuel. This is due to association of particular qualities of nature. Among animals, these three qualities are present. The cow is in the quality of goodness, the lion in the passion, and the monkey in ignorance. According according to Darwin's father is a monkey. Uh, he is theorized
Yes,
foolishly.
foolishly. Yes. So Prabhupada is saying that according to Darwin, that his father is a monkey. Then he has a laughter, and everybody laughs. So now it is Dr. Singh. So Dr. Singh is at that time like his material name is Dr. Singh, and जो ये हैं व्यक्ति, he was a disciple of Srila Prabhupada, and he was a scientist actually, and he was very knowledgeable and very intelligent, and his spiritual name was Sarup Damodar Prabhu, uh, Sarup Damodar Goswami, and Prabhupada gave him work to establish a scientific society, or to establish scientific basis of Krishna consciousness, and how we can tell the scientists of this age that how Krishna consciousness works. So this now Dr. Singh says, um, okay, so
His proposal?
yes, Mataji, continue.
Yeah. Dr. Singh. Darwin has said that some species become extinct in the struggle for survival. Those which are capable of surviving will survive, but those which are not will become extinct. So he says survival and extinction go side by side. Srila Prabhupada. Nothing is extinct. The monkey is not extinct. Darwin's immediate forefather, the monkey, is still existing. Karnadhara. Darwin said there must be natural selection, but selection means choice. So who is choosing? Srila Prabhupada. That must be a person who is allowing someone to survive and someone to be killed. There must be some authority with the discretion to give such an order. That is our first position. Who who that authority is explained in Bhagavad Gita. Krishna
Maya
Mayadhyakshena
Dhakshena
Prakriti.
Prakriti.
nature is working under my supervision.
Yes. Thank you
So
so
शिला
much,
प्रभुपाद
Mataji.
इस बड़े ही सिंपल वर्ड्स में शिला प्रभुपाद बता रहे हैं कि अकॉर्डिंग टू डार्विन थ्योरी आवर एंसेस्टर्स आर मॉन्की, बट अगर ऐसी बात है तो फिर अभी मॉन्की क्यों एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं? इट मस्ट हैव बीन एक्सटिंक्टेड, राइट? कि अगर सारे मॉन्की बाद में ह्यूमन बन गए, देन व्हाई मॉन्कीज आर स्टिल एग्जिस्टिंग?
Yes. So there are lots of other abnormalities as well in Darwin's theory. So now we read ahead. So Prabhupada is saying that like Darwin's theory, like Karandhar Prabhu is saying that Darwin's theory is that there is natural selection, and so then he says that selection means like natural selection means choice. So who is choosing? According to Darwin, it is the nature who is choosing, but they cannot define according to like what is nature and how the nature is choosing, or what is the intelligent way that which nature is choosing.
If someone is choosing, that means something is working behind, some person is working behind. ऐसे तो नहीं है कि कुछ अपने आप चलता है, या फिर कुछ भी अगर हम नॉर्मल रूटीन में भी देखें तो कोई छोटी सी चीज भी अपने आप नहीं चल सकती जब तक उसको ह्यूमन ब्रेन या ह्यूमन एनर्जी नहीं मिलती है, या फिर मतलब कुछ सोल एनर्जी, और देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग हु इज ड्राइविंग दैट. So Srila Prabhupada कहते हैं, yes, there is someone who is doing the selection and to survive and someone to be killed, कि कौन survive करेगा and who would be killed.
And that answer Prabhupada is giving is that he is quoting Bhagavad Gita, क्योंकि भगवत गीता में भगवान बताते हैं कि जो ये मटेरियल एनर्जी है ये मैं चला रहा हूँ. मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृति सूयते सचराचरम हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगत विपरिवर्तते. Nature is working under my supervision. जो ये नेचर है, इट इज वर्किंग अंडर मी, इट इज मी हु इज रनिंग. और ये 7th चैप्टर का जो लास्ट श्लोक है उसमें भी आता है दैट आई एम द गवर्निंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑल दैट एग्जिस्ट्स. गवर्निंग प्रिंसिपल मतलब जो लॉज हैं, व्हाटएवर द थिंग्स व्हिच आर गवर्निंग, जो फिजिक्स है, जो भी ग्रेविटेशनल लॉज हैं, इट इज ही हु इज मेंटेनिंग दैट. एंड 15th चैप्टर में भगवान बताते हैं कि because of my energies these planets remain in the orbits. So Bhagavad Gita actually बहुत very vividly gives us
scientific
reasons that ki what is the answers to all this. The only thing is that we have to just find out that to whom we can ask these questions and understand. So next, Rajdeep Prabhu, can you read from Dr. Singh? Last statement is there.
Yes, Prabhuji. From where? Okay, Prabhuji.
Last.
Darwin has said that some species become extinct in the struggle for survival.
No, Prabhuji, the last statement. Yes.
Darwin also says that the different species were not created simultaneously, but evolved gradually.
तो हम थोड़ा सा अब और एक्चुअली जो साइंटिस्ट हैं वो और तर्क कर रहे हैं कि डार्विन ये नहीं कहते कि सब स्पीशीज हैं जो वो साइमल्टेनियसली क्रिएट होती हैं. उनका मतलब ये है कि एवोल्यूशन है, ग्रेजुअल एवोल्यूशन है.
एक स्पीशीज हुई और एक से दूसरी बन गई या दूसरी से तीसरी बन गई.
So let's read. Yes, Prabhuji, continue.
Srila Prabhupada. Then what is his explanation for how the process of evolution began? Karandhara. Modern proponents of Darwinism say that the first living organism was created chemically. Srila Prabhupada. And I say to them, if life originated from chemicals and if your science is so advanced, then why can't you create life biochemically in your laboratories in the future? Karandhara. They say they will create life in the future. Srila Prabhupada. What future? When this crucial point is raised, they reply, we shall do it in the future. Why in the future? That is nonsense. Trust no future, however pleasant. If they are so advanced, they must demonstrate now how life can be created from chemicals. Otherwise, what is the meaning of their advancement? They are talking nonsense. Karandhara. They say that they are right on the verge of creating life.
Yes, so Prabhupada is giving कितना आसान से देखिए Prabhupada ने कहा कि scientists say that like Prabhupada is saying कि अगर ऐसा कुछ है, so then if life has come from chemicals, then means this is a theory and this must be experimented and this must be proven, right? कि अगर ऐसा कुछ ऐसी theory है that life did not come from life and life is a chance or a coincidence or an accident जैसा कि scientists कहते हैं, then why can't they create another accident or why can't they, based on their theory or based on their science, why can't they create just one single cell in their laboratories out of nothing?
So but as scientists always says that there are only proton, neutron and electrons who are all are working and by which everything is getting created. But then Prabhupada is saying, why don't they create another life then from those chemicals? So,
yes, then Prabhupada says that because the scientists वो ये कहते हैं, oh they will, right now we don't have this kind of science but they will do it in future. So Prabhupada says that trust no future however pleasant. So this is what Prabhupada is saying, that why in the future, if they are so confirmed, they are so pakka on the science, then why they have to do it now? Otherwise, like Prabhupada, in any other conversation, Prabhupada used to say that have you seen God? And the other person वो कहते हैं कि no, I haven't seen God. And then Prabhupada says that, and because you cannot give any other proposition, you have to accept mine. So that is why saying that because there is no proposition from the scientist, then either they have to accept ours or either they have to defeat us. But they cannot defeat because they are wrong on that part, because they cannot create life in laboratory. Yes, Prabhuji, continue.
Yes,
Karan.
Prabhuji.
Srila Prabhupada.
Karandhara.
Yes. Yes, Prabhuji.
They said that they are right on the verge of creating life. Srila Prabhupada. That's only a different way of saying the same thing. In the future, the scientists must admit that they still do not know the origin of life. Their claim that they will soon prove a chemical origin of life is something like paying someone with a post dated check. Suppose I give you a post dated check for $10,000, but I actually have. What is the value of the check? Scientists are claiming that their science is wonderful, but when a practical example is wanted, they say they will provide it in the future.
Prabhuji,
Give you a big post dated check. Is that all right? If you are intelligent, you will reply, at present, give me at least $5 in cash so I can see something tangible. Similarly, the scientists cannot produce even a single blade of grass in their laboratories, yet they are claiming that life is produced from chemicals. What is this nonsense? Is no one questioning this?
Hmm.
Karandhara. They say that life is produced by chemical laws. Srila Prabhupada, as soon as there is law, we must take into consideration that someone made the law. प्रभु जी screen थोड़ा Despite all their so-called advancements, the scientists in their laboratories cannot produce even a blade of grass. What kind of scientists are they? Dr. Singh, they say that in the ultimate analysis, everything came from matter. Living matter came from non-living matter. Srila Prabhupada. Then where is the living matter coming from now? Do the scientists say that the life came from matter in the past but does not at the present? Where is the ant coming from now? From the dirt? The missing link.
Yes, go on, Prabhuji.
प्रभु जी थोड़ा और ऊपर कर दीजिए
Okay. वो लेट जाता है उधर। दिख रहा है प्रभु?
नो प्रभु जी अभी मैं द मिसिंग लिंक तक ही देख पा रहा हूँ यस प्रभु जी अब देख पा रहा हूँ Dr. Singh, in fact, there are several theories explaining how life originated from matter, how living matter came from the non-living. Srila Prabhupada, casting Dr. Singh in the role of a materialistic scientist. All right, scientist, why is life not coming from matter now? You rascal, why is not life coming from matter now?
Yes, go on, Prabhuji.
Actually, such scientists are rascals. They childishly say that life came from matter, although they are not all able to prove it. Our Krishna consciousness movement should expose all these rascals. They are only bluffing. Why don't they create life immediately? In the past, they say life arose from matter, and they say that this will happen again in the future. They even say that they will create life from matter. What kind of theory is this? They have already commented that life began from matter. This refers to the past began. Then why do they now speak of the future? Is it not contradictory? They are expecting the past to occur in the future. This is childish nonsense. Karandhara. They say that life arose from matter in the past and they will create life this way in the future. Srila Prabhupada, what is this nonsense? If they cannot prove that life arises from matter in the present, how do they know life arose this way in the past? Dr. Singh, they are assuming. Srila Prabhupada, everyone can assume, but this is not science. Everyone can assume something. You can assume something, I can assume something, but there must be proof. We can prove that life arises from life. For example, a father begets a child. The father is living and the child is living. But where is there proof that a father can be a dead stone? Where is there proof? We can easily prove that life begins from a life, and the original life is Krishna. That also can be proven. But what evidence exists that a child is born of stone? They cannot actually prove that life comes from matter. They are leaving that aside for the future. Laughter. Karandhara.
Yes. Yes, Prabhu, go on. I think Prabhu ji is facing some internet issue. हमको आवाज नहीं आ रही प्रभु जी, we cannot listen.
प्रभु जी आवाज आ रही है?
ये
नहीं प्रभु जी, पहले नहीं आ रही थी. You have to again start from Karandhar.
Okay, Prabhuji, I am starting. The scientists say that they can now formulate amino acids that are almost like one-celled living organisms. They say that because these acids so closely resemble living beings, there must be just one missing link needed before they can create life. Srila Prabhupada, nonsense. Missing link. I will challenge them to their face. Laughter. They are missing this challenge. The missing link is this challenge to their face.
Yes.
Nobel Prize for an ass.
Yeah, इसका अगला है वो हम भी पढ़ेंगे अभी. So see, such a nice conversation. So and Prabhupada is we can see that Prabhupada he was not a scientist, and neither he was he had in his early age he had understood these kind of subjects, but he was very well able to connect everything even with a scientist. He could speak like a scientist with a scientist because Prabhupada वो क्या करते थे, he knew that what is the origin, and the origin is Krishna, and he was able to connect everything back to Krishna. So that is why he was able to have these kind of conversations with everyone, and in such a simple manner he's saying that in logically explanation that that if there is agar koi if there is any birth, that means it is coming from living only, right? अगर if there is child, that means father is there. अगर चाहे वो किसी भी species में हो, चाहे वो humans में हो, चाहे वो animal में हो, चाहे वो plants में हो even. Like even in plants we can see that without the seed there can be no sapling. Similarly, like in animals as well, there has to have like because so can anyone give example that life is coming from matter and life is not coming from life? Like can anybody give example? कोई यहाँ पे example बता सकता है that or is that true that life comes from matter or life comes from life?
सो अगर हम कभी भी देखें किसी भी चीज के एग्जांपल लेते हैं, इवन फॉर अ स्मॉल ट्री और एनीथिंग लिविंग, सो अगर हम देखें सो एवरीथिंग गेट प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड इट गेट प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम अ लाइफ ओनली, कम्स फ्रॉम अ लाइफ ओनली. एंड मतलब कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता कि दो नॉन लिविंग एंटिटीज से हम लिविंग एंटिटीज क्रिएट कर लें या फिर किसी भी नॉन लिविंग एंटिटी से लिविंग एंटिटी क्रिएट हो जाए. तो कभी भी लाइफ नेवर कम्स फ्रॉम अ मैटर. सो जैसे प्रभुपाद बताते हैं कि they are finding a missing link, so that is not possible to connect that it is coming from a non matter.
एंड प्रभुपाद इसका एग्जांपल देते थे, जैसे कि जो साइंटिस्ट क्लेम करते हैं कि दिस विल हैपन इन फ्यूचर एंड और वी विल डू दैट इन फ्यूचर. सो प्रभुपाद ने इसका एग्जांपल कैसे दिया, लाइक पोस्ट डेटेड चेक. जैसे कि अगर मैं आपको चेक दे दूं और मैं आपको चेक आगे की डेट का दे दूं कि ये आगे की डेट में आप लगाइएगा, ये तो मैंने अभी करा नहीं क्योंकि मैं आई डोंट हैव मनी विद मी, इट मींस द चेक इज बोगस. जो भी मेरा क्लेम है कि मैं आपको आई कैन गिव यू मनी बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन यू पोस्ट डेटेड चेक, आगे की डेट का चेक दे दिया. जो पीछे की डेट का वो तो वैसे ही फ्रॉड है, बट आगे का भी दे दिया, दैट इज आल्सो बोगस बिकॉज आई एम सेइंग दैट इन फ्यूचर आई विल हैव बट राइट नाउ आई डोंट, बट दैट इज नॉट सर्टेन. Future because future is not certain. How do I know what is the future? So in that sense we cannot identify or we cannot simply have believe that yes, whatever the scientists say in but this will happen in future, then they will say. They have to do it right now. And for so many years they have been trying, nothing has been happening because they are looking at the wrong direction. It is not happening. And if we go in the Shastra, even simple Bhagavad Gita, if we approach, हमको ये answers मिल जाते हैं
Yes.
that from where life is originating. And because Krishna is saying that aham bij prajapita, that he is the seed giving father of everyone. And Sarva Yonishu Konteya. Of all the yonis, he is the seed giving father. So then why do we have to go here or elsewhere?
So Prabhupada also used to say that scientists are just chewing the chewed. जो already everything is given in the shastras, and even the theories why planets are revolving around
Sun.
like how planets are evolving and how positions are defined. Everything is scientific reason of everything is given in shastra. So they are just searching for the thing which is already existing. So like even distance between moon and sun and other things, so everything is given and they're again investing time which is already chewed. So there will be no benefit in chewing that chewed.
Correct. तो हम एक और संवाद पढ़ेंगे प्रभुपाद जी का. और let me share my screen. Yes. So does कोई और पढ़ना चाहेगा? Would anybody else like to read? So I think this is the last. Okay, I will read in that case. Nobel Prize for an ass. Dr. Singh, some scientists hope that in the future they will be able to make babies in test tubes. Srila Prabhupada, test tubes? Dr. Singh, yes, they intend to combine male and female elements in biological laboratories. Srila Prabhupada, if they begin with living entities, what is the purpose of the test tube? It is only a place for combination, but so is the womb. Where is the credit for the scientists if this is already being done in nature's test tube? Karandhar, it is already being done by nature, but when some scientist does it, people will give him a Nobel Prize. Srila Prabhupada, yes, that is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam. Savid varahostra kareha samstuta purusha pashu. This verse indicates that one who prays men who are like animals are no better than dogs, hogs, camels, and asses. Swa means dog. With Varaha means stool-eating hog. Ustra means camel and Khar means ass. If the Nobel Prize is given to a
Scientist.
if a Nobel Prize is given to a scientist who is a rascal, the men on the committee who give him that prize are no better than dogs, hogs, camels, and asses. We don't accept them as human beings, or one animal is praised by another animal. Where is the credit in that? If the men on the committee are no better than animals, anyone who receives the Nobel Prize in science is the fool number one, because animals are praising him, not human beings. Dr. Singh. For some scientists, the Nobel Prize is the ultimate. Srila Prabhupada. They are rascals. They are speaking nonsense because they are juggling words. Others are being misled. Brahmananda Swami. Noble is the person who invented dynamite. Srila Prabhupada. He has created great misfortune and he has left his money for creating further misfortune. Brahmananda Swami. The Gita says that the demoniac people perform acts meant to destroy the world. So this is like this मैंने आपको बताया is taken from the book Life Comes from Life, and this is titled as Nobel Prize for an Ass. तो अगर कोई किसी की प्रेज करता है और अगर वो भी वही बिलीव्स रखते हैं which are non-shastric, then they are no better than, जैसे Prabhupada is saying, that is the strong words, no better than dogs, hogs, camels and asses. क्योंकि हमको लगता है oh it is such prosperous award, he such and such person has won this, but we have to see that those who are awarding, जो award देने वाली कमेटी में है, उनकी beliefs क्या हैं, उनके understanding क्या है इस चीज को लेके. They cannot even define who they are. if simply asked that, okay, then why bad things are happening to good people, why can't they stop this birth, death, old age and disease? They don't have any solution to all this, but they can give such big prizes and big uh, prize money to all these scientists simply because they think that, oh, they have done something wonderful. It for few cases it is good, but what Prabhupada is saying here is that what scientists they are doing is that because they are, जैसे कि हमने पहले बताया, that chewing the chew, and it is not based on any shastric studies, and that is why, and they are being compared to like dogs, hogs, camels, like that.
Yes. So anyone would like to read?
This is over.
Okay.
So this is where we come to our end of our reading. So does anyone has any questions? Then we will take the questions from the text itself. क्या किसी के कुछ प्रश्न है?
या फिर किसी को कुछ अच्छा लगा हो, want to share?
Wasn't it amazing? Like ये पढ़ना, like the first time when I read, it was very amazing. So does anybody has any comments or any questions? Any questions or any comments? Okay. No questions? Okay. So now we will go for the questions जो हमारे text में ही हैं. तुमने इसे पढ़ा? तो अब जो पहला क्वेश्चन है वो है mention the headings or topics on which Prabhupada disagrees with Darwin. So would anybody like to answer? हमने आज ही पढ़ा है इसको. राजदीप प्रभु, रिश्ता माता जी.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes.
Prabhuji, one topic was that Darwin बोल रहे थे कि जो ह्यूमन है वो मंकीज से इवॉल्व होकर के आए हैं. लेकिन प्रभुपाद जी का फिर ये कहना था कि अगर मंकीज से इवॉल्व होकर आए तो फिर अभी मंकीज क्यों हैं, वो ह्यूमंस में क्यों नहीं इवॉल्व हो गए?
करेक्ट.
वो अभी भी एग्जिस्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं उनके साथ में?
One part was evolution. So Darwin think that that our ancestors are monkeys. So एक तो ये हो गया. दूसरा, so this is right, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, एक था कि ये साइंटिस्ट बोल रहे हैं कि लाइफ मैटर से आई है, लाइफ से नहीं आई है.
Okay, but okay. Yes.
इसका एक सबसे अच्छा एग्जांपल यही दिया कि अगर कोई माँ है तो उसमें उस बच्चा माँ जो बच्चे का शरीर है माँ में से निकला है, मतलब माँ भी लिविंग है, बच्चा भी लिविंग है.
करेक्ट.
ऐसा कोई भी एग्जांपल नहीं है जिससे हम प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि किसी मैटर से एक लिविंग एंटिटी बाहर आई है. और कृष्णा है वो लाइफ है, वो जिससे सब कुछ आ रहा है.
He is the origin. Yes. ये भी हमने आज पढ़ा. और anybody else like to comment or answer पहला क्वेश्चन? और कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं जिसके ऊपर प्रभुपाद डिसएग्री करते हैं डार्विन के साथ? एक आपको मैं हिंट दे सकता हूँ कि क्रिएशन ऑफ स्पीशीज.
एक में प्रभुपाद ने
क्रिएशन ऑफ स्पीशीज, ये एक हिंट है आप सबके लिए. ठीक है, चलो मैं बताता हूँ. तो जैसे डार्विन क्या कहता है? डार्विन कहता है that all the species they have evolved gradually from one species another have come, or based on natural selection there is evolution, and the species are appearing time like gradually, and they are not created in one single time. And Prabhupada disagrees on that, and which is also the Shastric way, that the Shastra also doesn't say like that, because Shastra says that there are 84 lakh species already, and they are created, and according to that species, according to the consciousness, and according to the karma, one is given the body accordingly in any different species. So this is also one point where Prabhupada also disagrees on that.
And the
So-
second point, when Darwin said that the selection is made, and Prabhupada said,
Who has made the
who has
selection?
made the selection? There must be someone,
Somebody.
who is doing the selection.
Hmm.
So there is some supreme authority.
So choice, ये हमेशा ये याद रखिएगा कि choice का मतलब है intelligence, बुद्धि. अगर कोई बुद्धि रखता है, that means तभी anyone can do some choice. So buddhi means there in intelligence, and buddhi coming from buddhiman, right? जैसे कि शिवानी ने बताया. And from where is that laws coming, and कौन से laws हैं जो ये govern करते हैं कि कैसे होगा, और is it happening automatically? तो ऐसा तो हमारे पास कोई एग्जाम्पल ही नहीं है हम अपनी लाइफ में से दे सकें कि सब कुछ अपने आप ही हो गया. ऐसा कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है. So in this way as well, we can say that in logically we can deduce that this natural selection is not the right way.
Yes.
And there are many other loopholes as well in the theory. जैसे कि एक मेरे को जो याद आ रही है वो ये है that like giraffe, the Darwin's theory says that जिराफ की जो नेक है वो इतनी बड़ी इसलिए है कि उनको खाने के लिए जो पेड़ होते थे वो पेड़ ऊंचे होते थे, और उनको सरवाइव करने के लिए, डार्विन थ्योरी कहते हैं सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट, राइट. और उनको जिराफ को खाना खाने के लिए ऊपर होना पड़ता था, इसलिए उनकी नेक बहुत बड़ी हो गई. तो एक सवाल ये आ सकता है कि उन प्राणियों का क्या जो नीचे ही रह गए, या फिर वो जो नहीं हुए, बट उनका तो सर्वाइवल हो गया, या फिर वो सिर्फ वो घास क्यों नहीं खा सकता था, या फिर वो उन प्लांट्स को क्यों नहीं खा सकता था जो छोटे थे, उनको ऊपर ही क्यों होना था. सो देयर आर मेनी लूप होल्स इन दैट, एंड which also comes, and so like that. So now we go to our next question, understanding. So these are very simple questions, so we will quickly go through. Why is it wrong to assume that man has descended from monkey? तो ये आप बताइए that ऐसा क्यों गलत है ये सोचना कि जो इंसान है वो बंदर से आया है, उसके बेसिस पे जो हमने आज पढ़ा. सागर प्रभु, would you like to answer? Would you try to answer?
Anisha Mataji, Kanchan Mataji.
I think Kanchan Mataji is not there. Okay.
तो सबको लगता है कि हम ह्यूमन मॉन्की से आए हैं. ओके प्रभु जी, आई थिंक आपके कनेक्शन में इशू होगा, बिकॉज
No problem.
मुझे आ रही थी बाकी सबकी आवाज. When Rajdeep Prabhu was speaking, so we were able to hear.
तो ठीक है, चलो हम बढ़ते हैं. तो जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, why is it wrong to assume that man has descended from monkey? तो इसका सिंपल सा आंसर है that कि अगर ऐसा है तो जन अभी भी monkeys एग्जिस्ट क्यों करते हैं. वेरी लॉजिकल थिंग दैट अभी भी ऐसा क्यों है कि monkeys हम भी देख सकते हैं तो monkeys एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, तो उनकी एवोल्यूशन क्यों नहीं हुई, बाकी सारे क्यों बन गए. तो दिस इज द आंसर. Second question, what is Darwin's explanation of the origin of life? Explain his survival of the fittest theory from the passage. तो ये हमने अभी ही पढ़ा, मतलब एक्सीडेंटली हमने पहले ही पढ़ लिया उसको. अभी जो मैंने बताया दैट कि डार्विन की जो थ्योरी है origin of life की, वो ये है that life comes from matter, and it is the natural selection which is taking place, and it is the survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest का मतलब ये है कि नेचर के कुछ लॉज हैं और उसमें जो जीत जाएगा वो रह जाएगा. कि कुछ स्पीशीज हैं और उसमें से कुछ स्पीशीज ने चेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट अकॉर्डिंगली उसे अपने आप को अडेप्ट कर लिया, और कुछ नहीं कर पाए. जो नहीं कर पाए वो एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए, वो रह गए. जिन्होंने अपने शरीर में चेंज ले आए या फिर ऐसा कुछ अपने आप ही कर लिया, जीन्स अपने आप इवॉल्व होने लग गए. सो दैट इज द थ्योरी of survival of the fittest from Darwin. And what is Srila Prabhupada's answer to these propositions? Question number 3. तो इसमें कौन बताएगा what is Srila Prabhupada's answer to these propositions? हमने आज ही पढ़ा that Prabhupada natural selection के बारे में क्या कहते हैं. तो Prabhupada कहते हैं natural selection के बारे में कि natural selection is not happening automatically. Somebody is there, somebody intelligent person is there at the behind, जो सब कुछ कर रहा है, like that.
So जैसे कुछ भी कोई एनर्जी होती है या फिर कुछ if there is any selection that is being done by someone, so who is, जैसे कि कोई बुद्धि जहाँ पे लगती है, जैसे रोहन ने बताया कि बुद्धि होती है तो बुद्धिमान हमेशा एग्जिस्ट करता है, और ऐसे ही एनर्जी होती है तो एनर्जेटिक ऑलवेज एग्जिस्ट, ऐसा नहीं होता कि बिना एनर्जी के एनर्जेटिक हो। तो जैसे कि सूर्य की अगर रोशनी है या सूर्य का ताप है, then there is sun. So sun is the energetic, and who is giving the energy? Sun. Energy rays in the form of rays. So कभी भी हम सूर्य, कभी भी रोशनी होती है तो हम ये नहीं मान सकते कि रोशनी बिना सूरज के है। So sun is there, so that's why light is there.
Yes. And we have fourth question is that how do scientists explain away their inability to create life from matter? Yes, Rajdeep Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji, they said that they will create it in the future.
Yes.
Yes. And they also said that it was created in past, but they will create in future. So they are not able to connect that why it is getting created in past and it is not getting created now, and it will get created in future.
Yes.
Why does Srila Prabhupada not accept these explanations?
तो प्रभुपाद ये explanations क्यों नहीं accept करते?
प्रभु जी, because क्योंकि वो इस बात का प्रैक्टिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं दे पा रहे थे, कि बोल रहे थे कि फ्यूचर में वो दे पाएंगे.
Yes, that is also right. Yes, that is also right. And also because these explanations are not according to Shastra. Because Shastra ऐसे नहीं कहता, and Prabhupada is whatever he's saying is according to whatever is given in the Shastras, and not a single word out of it.
So he's the soul surrendered to Krishna.
So he is dependent on previous acharyas and Guru Sadhu Shastra, because we always remember that we have to see these problems from a spiritual solution, from Shastra Chakshu. And Shastra Chakshu we get when we take shelter of Guru Sadhu Shastra. And Shastra says about this, and there are so many vivid explanations about all these things. So much science is there, and it all can be, we can see that there is practical application to that. And that is why Prabhupada does not accept these. So like that.
Why is Srila Prabhupada unimpressed by the scientists making test tube babies?
Srila Prabhupada, क्योंकि हमको ऐसा लग सकता है, oh, test tube babies means, oh, there is scientific advancement, there is technological advancement.
We might even
उन्होंने
think
बहुत अच्छा कर लिया, ये तो artificially create हो रहा है, and it is a very much advancement. But Prabhupada is not impressed. So ऐसा हमने क्या पढ़ा आज जिसमें हम ये जान सकते हैं कि it is not something good that they have done.
Even अगर हम देखें तो थोड़े टाइम के लिए हमारे दिमाग में ये भी आ सकता है, if they are creating a test tube baby, that means they are creating a life from a matter. But there is a loophole in that. It is not getting created from a matter.
Because Prabhupada, yes, Rajdeep Prabhu.
प्रभु जी, इसके आंसर में क्योंकि नेचर ने ऐसा प्रबंध पहले ही किया हुआ है, जैसे जो वुम्ब है.
Yes.
Yes,
So that is the right answer. जैसे राजीव प्रभु जी ने हम सबको बताया that it is already being done by nature automatically, and it is simply like कि एक place को change करके दूसरे place में कर देना. It is not a big deal. It is not like creating life from matter, or that they have done some breakthrough.
Yes.
That is why he says that it is a normal thing, or he is unimpressed by that.
Yes. एंड जो नेचर ने इतना परफेक्टली करा हुआ है, इवन ह्यूमन अगर वैसा करने की कोशिश भी करेंगे, देन आल्सो देयर विल बी सम इम्परफेक्शन इन दैट. Rather it is created perfectly by nature, and then this is something which is like chewing the chewed.
And so seventh question, what is Srila Prabhupada's opinion on Nobel Prizes? तो हमने ये पढ़ा था कि प्रभुपाद को नोबेल प्राइजेस के बारे में क्या लगता है, कि किसको मिलता है, वो कैसे हैं, और कौन जो उनको देते हैं, उनके बारे में प्रभुपाद का क्या ख्याल है. यस प्रभु जी. or would anybody else like to answer? Arpita Mataji is there, Anisha Mataji, Sathi Mataji.
Prabhuji, I am remembering one thing that Prabhupada said that these Nobel prizes are for asses.
Yes. So Prabhupada takes an analogy that दो जो ले रहे हैं उनके भी जो ख्यालात हैं वो भी they are also like dogs and asses, and जो दे रहे हैं because जो दे रहे हैं वो उन्हीं को दे रहे हैं, those who are like this, so they are also non different than these dogs, hogs, like and asses, because their mentality or their thinking is like that. So last question. Why do you think that Srila Prabhupada is severely criticizing the scientists? What harm have their theories done to humankind? वो like Prabhupada, why is so critical about the scientist? And उनकी theories ने ऐसा क्या गलत कर दिया जो मानवता के साथ या फिर humankind के साथ कि उनको criticize करना पड़ रहा है? So would anybody like to put any comments? It's a very general question. इसमें तो हम सभी उत्तर दे सकते हैं कि जो मॉडर्न थ्योरीज हैं, what harm have they done? देखिए क्या होता है, जैसे कि दी साइंटिस्ट, दीज आर द इंटेलेक्चुअल क्लास ऑफ द सोसाइटी, एंड दे आर हाईली एजुकेटेड, so called highly educated, and they have some responsibility, and because they have such brain power and they can do that, and so they have some responsibility to it, but because their beliefs are atheistic, and atheistic means demoniac, and because unki jo praviti hai that is demon like, their actions are also demon like, and they are critical of the existence of God, and they want to prove everything and anything with science, which from they want to like prove everything with material senses and the material instruments and experiments, and which makes Srila Prabhupada critical of them, because first they have some responsibility, which and because they're not following the shastras, yes, and like that,
and they are also why they are harmful to humankind, because they are influencing people, and the main goal of any human life is to get progress towards Krishna, whereas the theories that scientists give make the person away from Krishna. So उनकी जो नेचुरल टेंडेंसी है या फिर उनका जो नेचुरल गोल है किसी भी ह्यूमन का, वो उनको उस गोल से और ज्यादा दूर लेके जा रहे हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ उनको पास लाने के.
Because majority of the scientific class is atheist. They don't believe in God, or they don't believe that these kind of arguments, and they think that they can do anything and everything, but they don't have answers to very basics of life, that who am I, why am I here, what is the purpose to my life, what gives my body energy, why is the heart always pumping, what is this consciousness coming from, what is this meaning of consciousness, what am I thinking, where is the consciousness lying, they cannot answer. What is the origin of the universe? There are still theories, but there are multiple theories, they don't know anything. So there are so many open-ended questions, but they are not able to answer, and this makes the humankind speculate on all these topics. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि with mental speculation they will be able to find out the answers, but mental speculation is not an answer to any of the proposition or any of the question.
So mental speculation is like something which is not existing. जैसे अगर मैं हूँ तो मैं कुछ भी सोचूंगी और ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ ये चीज ऐसे है और ये ऐसे ही है, but this is not the truth. So anything which needs to be given should have facts and the proof that it is existing. So mental speculation तो किसी भी person की अलग अलग हो सकती है. There is no necessity that अगर मैं कुछ सोच रही हूँ तो वो truth है या फिर वो align करेगा सबके साथ. So mental speculation is something which is not existing actually.
Correct. So that is why it is very important for us to understand these things from Shastric way of understanding this knowledge. And that can only be understand when we read Prabhupada books, um, when we read what our acharyas have given, or what exactly is there in Bhagavad Gita, what is there in Shrimad Bhagavatam. If we don't read, then how we will come to know that what is there, और all the answers are existing. It is only upon us, हम ये ढूंढें कि हम वो ढूंढने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं, या फिर कोशिश हम कर सकते हैं कि हम वो ढूंढना चाहते हैं, और हमने कितना प्रयास किया उसे ढूंढने के लिए, हमने अपना एफर्ट कितना लगाया उसके लिए. So all that matters is our endeavor, and of course not only our endeavor, but to find out that but also depending on the mercy of the Lord. So these two things will always matter based on how we will perceive this knowledge. And Sati Mataji is saying, and scientists cannot change nature and our Vedas. Yes, that is also right. So many things are happening. So this, we can take an example of coronavirus only. Like we have gone back to moon, and we have come back. We have gone to Mars. We have gone to Jupiter. We have gone beyond our solar system, but we cannot find solution to a microorganism which we cannot even see with our eyes. हम ये नहीं कर सकते. We cannot even do that. The whole planet is bebas, like is helpless right now, and there is no solution to it. There are only theories, and there are only speculations, but there is no solution.
और जैसे कि साइंटिस्ट अब कहते हैं कि दे हैव ट्रैवल टू मून, बट अगर हम शास्त्रों में पढ़ें तो इट इज ऑलरेडी डन प्रीवियसली. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ नया किया है. जैसे कि आप नारद मुनि जी के एग्जांपल ले, दे कैन ट्रैवल एनीवेयर विदाउट एनी रिस्ट्रिक्शन. So
yes. There is one book actually which Prabhupada had written, Easy Journey to Other Planets.
Yes.
And it came in 1960s or late 50s or early 60s. Yes. And where Prabhupada gives that yes, because at that time उसमें क्या था, the whole world was in the race of going to moon. यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स और रशिया में कोल्ड वॉर की वजह से देयर वाज अ रेस गोइंग ऑन दैट कि चांद में सबसे पहले कौन जाएगा. एंड Prabhupada then gave that we want to go to moon but we cannot go to moon. Multiple reasons are there, and how we can go, that he told. Yes. That
so it is possible.
Not just the moon, we can traverse the whole universe.
Yes. So it is possible to travel within the different universes and different even different planets, but the way that scientists are following is not the right way to do that. So the right way is given in the shastras, that how a person can travel, or what is the way to do that.
Correct. So now we come to our last question. थोड़ा सा time ज़्यादा हो गया, and so I'm sorry for that. So we will just wrap it up. So application. Are you convinced about the scientist's limitation? Why or why not? तो आप chat पे लिख सकते हैं that are you convinced that yes, scientists do have some limitation? You can write Hare Krishna if the answer is yes.
Mataji's please write, otherwise Mataji's की team बहुत low जा रही है.
They're all intelligent audience.
Yes.
So you can write Hare Krishna in the chat. That are you convinced about scientists' limitations? Yes. Ajit Prabhu says Hare Krishna. Manisha Mataji says Hare Krishna. Arvita Mataji says Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Sati Mataji also saying Hare Krishna.
Yes.
And Sagar Prabhu is also saying Hare Krishna. Very nice. Yes. तो हमको कुछ ज्यादा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है इसके लिए. That we don't have to be scholar to see that whatever the scientists are doing, they do have limitations, and their theories are all many of the theories are all baseless, because they're all based on mental speculation, and there is no shastric reference to it. There is no basis to it, and that is why. So now we come to our last section. Preaching is the essence. So I will read. One should preach to relieve Lord Chaitanya's anxiety for the fallen souls. How will these Yavanas be delivered? To my great unhappiness, I do not see any way. Haridas Thakur replied, My dear Lord, do not be in anxiety. Do not be unhappy to see the conditions of the Yavanas in the material existence. These words of Haridas Thakur are just befitting a devotee who has dedicated his life and soul to the service of the Lord. When the Lord is unhappy because of the condition of the fallen souls, the devotee consoles him, saying, My dear Lord, do not be in anxiety. That is service. This is service. Everyone should adopt the cause of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to try to relieve him from the anxiety he feels. This is actually service to the Lord. One who tries to relieve Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's anxiety for the fallen souls is certainly a most dear and confidential devotee of the Lord. Chaitanya Charitamrita Ante Leela 3.5152. तो जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he feels so much anxiety. He feels so much anxiety when he is seeing that जो fallen souls हैं उनकी condition को देखकर, because he is so much passionate upon all these souls. And then Haridas Thakur, who is dear, very dear, internal consort of internal associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is replying कि हे प्रभु आप चिंता में मत आइए, because and Prabhupada is writing कि yes, ये सेवा है. सेवा क्या है कि जब हम भगवान को, जब भक्त बोलते हैं कि हे प्रभु कि आप प्लीज चिंता मत करिए, because the devotees हैं, they will take charge of your mission and they will preach this mission to everybody. They will tell it to everybody that there is so much suffering, please get out of it. सबको पहले बताना पड़ेगा कि yes, there is suffering, and yes, what is the true nature of this world, what is the true nature of yourself, who are you, why are you here, and what is the way to get out. And simply by chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, we can get out of this material mess which is there. And which is actually preaching is, और यही प्रचार है, और हम सबका ये कर्तव्य बनता है that ही जिस भी लेवल पे हम कर सकते हैं, हम सबका ये कर्तव्य बनता है कि हम इसमें भाग लें और दूसरों को भी बताएं. और देखिए, सबसे पहला जो हम काम कर सकते हैं वो ये है कि अपने आप को सुधार लेना भी एक प्रचार है. क्योंकि अगर हम जो चेंज है, अगर हम ये सबसे पहले अपने आप में लेके आएंगे तो ही हम किसी और को बताएंगे. आचार प्रचार, इसको हम बोलते हैं आचार प्रचार, की सबसे पहले अपने स्वयं में चेंज लेके आइए, उसके बाद हम दूसरे को बता सकते हैं. तो अगर हम प्रभुपाद की बुक्स को पढ़ते हैं, अगर हम हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र का जब ढंग से करते हैं और जो प्रसाद है उसका सेवन करते हैं, संकीर्तन हरिनाम संकीर्तन करते हैं, दूसरों को ये बांटते हैं, दूसरों को इसके बारे में बताते हैं, क्लासेस में उनको इनवाइट करते हैं, किसी को इसके बारे में बताना, वो भी एक प्रचार है, चाहे वो थोड़ा सा ही क्यों ना हो. जिस भी लेवल पे हम कुछ ना कुछ जरूर कर सकते हैं. और नहीं तो हम अपने लिए तो कर ही सकते हैं, अगर हम अपने लिए भी कर लें तो वो भी एक तरह से प्रचार है, क्योंकि हमने अपने आप को सुधार लिया तो हम दूसरों के लिए एग्जाम्पल बन सकते हैं. आचार प्रचार, उसके बाद दूसरे हमको और सीरियसली लेंगे कि ओ ये तो पहले ऐसे थे, उनकी लाइफ में ऐसा क्या चेंज हो गया कि ये तो एकदम ही बदल गए हैं, और I'm attracted to them. जैसे कि किसी को देख के हमको कई बार लगता है ना कि ओ ये तो देवता आदमी है, ये तो एंजल्स हैं, they are angel souls. तो हम उनके प्रति अट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, जैसा वो करते हैं, जैसा वो बर्ताव करते हैं, हम वैसा ही करना चाहते हैं. So like that, so if we try to bring these changes to ourselves, then that is also is the first step for preaching, and like that. So this is where we end our today's session. And so if you have any questions, then we are very much happy to to give you answers. Are there any questions? Okay, any questions or comments if there are any? So आपको कैसा लगा? सागर जी, how are you? आप म्यूट, अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं बटन दबा के. यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज आप पहली बार आए हैं, सो यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस योर, थोड़ा सा बता सकते हैं आप अपने बारे में सबको, अपना नाम और आप कहाँ से हैं और आप क्या करते हैं. तो अगर आप थोड़ा सा ये बताएं, that will be very nice for everybody to know you. अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं प्रभु जी आप, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा।
आई थिंक प्रभु जी को आवाज जा नहीं रही है हमारी।
जा तो रही है। Okay, Manisha Madhuri says no. Arpita Madhuri says wonderful session. Thank you so much,
Thank
Arpita
you,
Madhuri, for
Arpita
joining,
Madhuri.
for regularly joining.
Thank you so much everyone for joining.
Yes, yes प्रभु जी। Yes, now अब आपको सुन सकते हैं। कैसे हैं प्रभु जी आप?
ठीक है सर।
ओके, तो आप थोड़ा सा बता सकते हैं आपका नाम क्या है और आप कहाँ से हैं, क्या करते हैं?
My name is Sagar Jaiswal. I am from Kunda Pratapgarh, Uttar Pradesh. Right now I am doing graduation and BA third year.
Okay.
And I am teaching also.
Very
That's
nice.
very nice.
Very nice, Sagar ji. So thank you so much for coming to this session, and you are also added to the group, and you can attend these sessions regularly. You can come to these sessions. अगर आपको कुछ प्रश्न है तो आप हमसे मेरे को पर्सनल मैसेज करके या फिर आप ग्रुप पे भी पूछ सकते हैं, या फिर आप ये सेशन से इसमें भी पूछ सकते हैं, कोई भी प्रश्न हो आपका। और दूसरा ये कि आपके पास जैसे अभी जपा माला नहीं है तो आप हमको इफ यू नीड जपा माला एंड बीट बैग तो आप हमको बता सकते हैं। I can courier it to you as a gift from our side, and so you can let me know ki your address in personal message, and I can gift it to you.
Okay प्रभु जी।
Yes, ठीक है प्रभु जी। Okay, चलिए, हरे कृष्णा। So now we'll end our today's session. नमो विष्णु पदाय कृष्णा पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनीति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय गुरु श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णववृंद की जय। The God Premanande, Hari Hari Bol। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for
Hare
joining
Krishna,
us.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Sati Mata.